Also, roofing offers one of the safest methods in commercial and industrial roofing. Cold process roofing is suitable for all flat roofs, from small to large. Its benefits are many. If you have a large flat roof that looks like this, then Also Roofing will replace it for you without the safety risks associated with torch-on methods. With cold process system, there is no need for an open flame, kettles, hot asphalt, or complicated application devices. Also Roofing uses proven and efficient methods to remove all top layers from the old roof, no matter what kind. In this case, it's moss, tar, and gravel. Everything is cleaned nicely before we start tearing apart the old base roof layers, and as a complete service to you, we dispose of all old material at a local dump. This saves you time and headaches. To efficiently progress the project, Also Roofing takes care of all new material delivery. This mostly includes thermo insulation boards and asphalt impregnated protective boards. We have plenty of experience and all material is practically organized on the roof for later use. Again, this saves you time and spares you of any potential headaches with organizing a delivery. Let's go to part 2 in Also Roofing's cold process roofing system, which includes the core of the job. After removing the very top layers of the old roof, we progress to the final tear-off. This includes cutting and removing old membranes and insulation boards. The tear-off process is done in sections, usually not as a whole roof, unless it's a small one. Again, Also Roofing takes care of all old material disposals. Everything is done efficiently, thanks to our experienced crews. At the end of the process, we use a power broom to clean the corrugated metal deck. This gets rid of any debris and trash that is left behind. Then it's time to start building the new roof. First, we lay down the thermo insulation boards. We make sure they are well fitted and correctly attached to the metal deck, covering the whole section exposed by the removal process. Even the smallest areas get covered to maximize the insulation benefits. After that, the asphalt impregnated protective boards are laid on top of the insulation boards. Again, they are fitted very tightly, one against the other. The asphalt protective boards are attached through the insulation boards to the corrugated metal deck below. Also Roofing uses very efficient techniques for this as well as throughout the whole process to deliver the best quality, on time, and on budget. The next step in the cold process roofing method includes layering multiple membranes on top of each other. All wall-to-wall and slope surfaces get new membranes as well. Then it's time to work on the large flat surface areas. Also Roofing uses a special high-pressure pump to spray down cold modified adhesive with advanced fiber formulation. Unlike other application methods, high-pressure spraying ensures even and fast application of the cold adhesive layer. The SBS fiberglass membrane is rolled over the adhesive. The heavy weighted roller assures a proper adhesion of the membrane and prevents trapping of air bubbles. Ultimately, in this case, the whole roof is coated and covered with cold adhesive and membrane twice, up to 4 ply is available. All roof-to-wall details are heavy coated with cold rubberized mastic and SBS membrane 3 times. Cold process roofing is perfectly suitable for around-the-clock operations and where health and safety are of paramount concern. Cold process is also a smart solution for sensitive environments where the fumes and potential hazards of hot applied systems are unacceptable. As we complete the new sections of your roof day by day, we apply an overnight tie-in between the new and old roof to prevent any potential water from getting under the roof layers. The tie-in is torn off the next day and we continue to work. The bulk of the cold process application is done once the whole roof is SBS membrane covered. The roof is then waterproofed and some final finishing will complete the job. Also, roofing offers 3 finishing options for the top layers that cover the SBS membrane. In this case, we applied 2 coats of asphalt-based aluminum roof coating to all flat surface areas. Other top layer options are cold adhesive with bright white granules on top, or cold adhesive with pea gravel on top. The finishing can be done up to 30 days after the SBS membrane is laid down. The aluminum coating reflects sun rays effectively, keeping the roof temperature down. The building will require less cooling, which reduces energy consumption and costs significantly. This means helping the environment as well. Along the way, finishing is applied to all sloped and vertical surfaces, in this case metal flashings. This is the cold process roofing system. Also, roofing performs its application from start to finish, every detail, every step of the way. Contact us for a free estimate and to learn more. Also, roofing will gladly answer all your questions about this roofing method.